In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print documents in Microsoft Word. If you're new to Microsoft Word and need to print a document, this guide will walk you through the basic printing options you need to know. You can use these settings to choose your printer, select specific pages, adjust the number of copies, and make sure your document is ready before printing. First, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the content you want to print is complete. Once your document is open, go to the File tab in the top left corner of Microsoft Word. From the menu, select Print. This will open the print settings and show you a preview of your document. The preview is useful because it allows you to check how the pages will look before you send the document to the printer. On the print screen, look for the Printer section. Here, you can select the printer you want to use. If you have more than one printer available, choose the appropriate one from the list. Next, look at the Copies option. This allows you to choose how many copies of the document you want to print. If you only need one copy, leave the number set to 1. If you need additional copies, enter the number you want. You can also choose which pages you want to print. By default, Microsoft Word will print the entire document. If you only need certain pages, use the Page Selection option and enter the pages you want to print. For example, you can choose specific pages instead of printing the entire document. This is useful when you only need a small section of a longer file. Microsoft Word also provides options for printing on one side or both sides of the paper, depending on the printer you are using. If your printer supports double-sided printing, you can choose the appropriate setting. You can also check the orientation and paper settings before printing. Make sure the document is using the correct page layout, such as portrait or landscape, and that the paper size matches what you are using in the printer. Before clicking Print, review the preview on the right side of the window. Check the pages, spacing, and overall appearance to make sure everything looks correct. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click the Print button. Microsoft Word will send the document to your selected printer. And that's how you can print documents in Microsoft Word using the basic print settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,